Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness stopped the Sunday no movement day and the new curfew hours are going to be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. every day. This is going to run from October 29 to December 10. The police said them lock up the leader for the one other gang. Jah Cure are going to spend Christmas in a lockup in the Netherlands. West Indies lose by 8 wickets to South Africa in a them second T20 match. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full story them. Prime Minister Andrew Holness stopped the Sunday no movement day and the new curfew hours are going to be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. every day. This are going to run from October 29 to December 10. Church, wedding and company yearly meeting can have up to 50 people. Anything with a public company them a put on can have up to 50 people and all of them must be fully vaccinated. The police said them lock up the leader for the one other gang. Him get locked up yesterday evening in a one police and soldier operation in a Ellerslie Gardens. According to Deputy Superintendent for Police Lenoir Edwards, who are the head for operation in the St. Catherine North Police Division, them did a look for the man for some gun crime and other serious crime in a Spanish town. From last week, the police and soldier them did a do enough operation in a Spanish town and look for man who in a gang and gun when on a license. Jah Cure are going to spend Christmas in a lockup in the Netherlands. Jah Cure get locked up from early October and him are going to spend 83 more days in a lockup before him trial start in a January 2022. Him get charged for try kill Smaddy and for stab up Smaddy. The police in the Netherlands did lock him up after them claims him stabbed Ricardo Papa Blake, who was one promoter on October 1. The man did have to do emergency surgery. 2 people, one of them a one teenager who police claims broke in a one house in a Westmoreland and thieved $75,000 and some other things get charged. One of them, a 29 years old David Patrick, who was one labourer who come from Whitehorn in the parish. The police now put out the 17 years old boy name. According to the police report, on Friday, July 30 around 9 p.m., the teenager and Patrick broke in the house in Fort Williams when the owner asleep. The 2 of them get locked up and charged on October 25. Them soon get a court date. The St. Thomas Circuit Court found one police constable guilty for takeaway and rape on a woman in 2012. The man, a Constable Craig Williams, and the court found him guilty for have gun where him have no license for too. He might get sentenced for November 15. The court get evidence from the woman who said him rape her and 3 Smaddy who said them see were gone. Now for sports. West Indies lose by 8 wickets to South Africa in them second T20 match. The West Indies bat first and then make 143 runs and lose 8 wickets in them 20 overs. Evelyn Lewis make one top score of 56. Pollard make 26 and Gale make 13 runs. South Africa bat off the runs and did have 9 balls left. This is the second game the West Indies are lose and them are going to play Bangladesh Friday. People, remember the curfew run from 8 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.